Hi, I am Chris, co-founder of NutriBot, the meal prep software, and in the last video we have started the series about how to start a meal prep business, so let's jump in. To briefly summarize what we've mentioned, we divided the whole starting topic in the three pillars. The first pillar was about the preparation stage, so you should understand who you are, understand where you are, your market, your competitors, understand your target niche, so your client, and understand what you can, so understand your budget. And the second pillar we will discuss today is the planning stage, and the third one for the next video is the execution stage. So let's dive in the planning stage. I've divided this topic into 4 different categories, so 4 types of strategies. We will create the strategies, we will plan the strategies in this video. So to use some kind of example, even the best navigation is useless if you don't have the target on the map. The first one will be the business strategy, the second one will be the sales and the marketing strategy, the third one will be the production strategy, and the fourth will be the delivery strategy. As in the last video, I would like to simplify that, but because of course you can spend a lot of time on that, and it depends what kind of company you are, depends in you are the personal who would like to open your new business, or maybe you're the experienced company, restaurant or something like that, or e-commerce specialist, you should spend less or more time for each of this stage. So the first step is setting your high level goal, so setting the target on the map, so answering the question where are you going. And to do that you can create your mission, vision and values, so you can find a lot of different materials in the internet how to set your company mission, your company vision and the values. I will not spend time to describing that, but to simplify, you should answer from the business point of view why you are building this company. To solve it in the next 5 years, to make it as much profitable and as fast as it is possible, or to be a market leader, for example. And regarding this answer, the strategy can be different, because if you would like to be a market leader, or if you would like to grow really fast to solve the company, you will not care about the margin, because probably you need to overinvest in this company. And on the other hand side, if you would like to build a profitable company, maybe it will be smaller but more profitable. So it is good to answer this question. Then if you answer that, the next stage is the planning one. So planning how you will achieve your goal. So we are starting creating the road at this map, yes, how to go to this target. And you should set your first initial goals, or the first milestones. And the good example of the SMART goal here is how many active subscribers you would like to achieve and in which time, for example. So, for example, you would like to acquire first 100 active subscribers in 3 months. And it is good, measurable and achievable goal. The second one, different one, can be to be a market leader in 1, 2 or 3 years. More ambitious, but probably more suitable for the huge restaurant chain or something like that. Or the example number 3, I will start and do my best. Maybe quite suitable for the personal who would like to try. And the next phase is the finances. So you need to plan your budget for all the mentioned layers, so for all the strategies, so for acquiring the customers, for production, for deliveries. So you need to plan your budget to set the whole business, and then you need to plan your budget for some initial months. So you need to plan how much you can spend for employees, how much you can spend for the production, for the shopping lists and for deliveries and so on. So you need to plan it in detail. Maybe I will record the detailed video about the finances in meal prep, but it is not the time here, but please keep it in mind and plan your finances. Then we have the sales and marketing strategy. It is also the huge topic, but the first point, you should design your offer, or even wider, design your value proposition. So what value you will deliver, value proposition. If you have watched the last video, and if you understand who you are, if you understand your competitors, if you understand your market and your budget, you can now design the product for your market. So it is the right role. So you can go to our video how to create the offer in meal prep industry. I have here the little shortcut about it. So we break down this process, the creating offer process, to many different points. You can watch this video, you can understand the details, and I am sure that this video will highlight you this topic, and it will help you to create really well designed and profitable meal prep offer. The important information from my side: if you are interested in meal prep business and you would like to receive the best practices across the globe, so please subscribe our channel or sign up to our newsletter. We are adding the new videos on our YouTube channel once a week, and we are sending the newsletter monthly, so there is no spamming and you can cover all the news and the best practices. So see you in the next material. Then, if your offer are ready, and if you understand your clients, I believe that this is the time for your company brand. So you can decide how your company will look and what impression you will make for your clients. So now you can create your logo, your name, your colors, and similar like before. Depends who you are, depends on your goals, depends on your budget. You can spend more or less time for that. I believe that if you are the startup company, if you are the personnel who's starting your first business, you shouldn't overinvest this time. The logo, the brand can be changed, so I would like to recommend you some kind of AI tools which can help you to design the logo, name, and the colors. It can be really easy, fast, and quite good in quality. So this is the next step. Then the customer acquisition. So you need to design the strategy how you will acquire your clients and how you will promote your business. The first material I would like to recommend you is watching our video about the purchasing process. If you watch this video, you will understand how the clients creating their problem and finding the solution, and how to design your website and your purchasing process. So this is the really good starting point. If you understand that, then you can decide how you would like to promote your company. And again, I am introducing you to watch the video about the channels overview, promoting channels overview. Here you can find a little sneak peek. So we highlight in this video all the channels, the most popular channels like the digital marketing, offline, different sales channels, discounts, direct communication, affiliates. So if you watch this video, you will understand all the points, what you can use, and you can decide which will be the best and most profitable for you. The next point is customer expansions and retention. So building your company is not only acquiring new clients, it is also about the expansion. So upselling maybe the another meal plans, the another meals for their families, and also care about your retention level. So to make your customers happy, to support them, to contact with them, and so on. So this is the point number 2. You can design your strategy how you will contact your current customers. For example, maybe after the first delivery, maybe each Monday your support team will contact by phone your clients. So you can design that kind of processes, how to care about your current customers. Then we have the production strategy. So you need to decide how you will make it. And the most important question here is if you will cook or if you hire the third-party kitchen. Then if you will cook, you need to decide if you will organize your kitchen, you will buy all the stuff to the kitchen, or you can hire maybe the ready-made kitchen, professional kitchen. So it is the second point. And to better introduce you what you need, I can recommend 2 videos on our channel, how to handle production in advanced way and in the basic way. The basic one is more suitable for the companies with third-party kitchens. It will show you what kind of reports you need to generate to show them to the third-party kitchen, the cloud kitchen. And the first one, advanced, is more suitable for you if you would like to produce and if you would like to open the kitchen. It will break down the whole production process, starting from the right understanding your offer, then to the orders confirmation and purchasing ingredients, creating the shopping list, the bulk cooking, dividing the meals to the food containers, weighting them, creating the labels, dispatching, packaging the bags and deliveries. So you will see all the details, and based on this you can decide how to organize your production. And the last but not least is the delivery strategy. So you will see in the offer design step that depends on your delivery strategy, your offer can be different, because depends on your delivery frequency. You can create a different offer. If you deliver daily, you can offer a fresh food, different menu daily. And if you deliver, for example, once a week, you need to offer different kind of food. So it is quite important here. So this is the first question you need to find the answer for. The second is the delivery area, or maybe even before. You need to decide if you will build your own fleet with your own trucks, or you will hire third-party company. Of course, third-party company is easier, but probably it will be more expensive. So depends on your scale range, what kind of business you would like to create. You need to make this decision. And then the delivery area, so you need to decide if you will deliver locally, or you would like to cover the whole country or more cities and so on. So this is quite important decision. And of course, delivery capacity is important here. So what is the range of business you would like to achieve, and what kind of fleet you need to hire. And similar in the production capacity is crucial, so how big kitchen you need to open. Okay, and I believe it is all what I would like to mention at this video. And on the next one we will discuss about the execution. So we will start from what kind of software you need to have to cover all this topic. I would like to introduce you how to set up your kitchen, and we will discuss probably more about the lower layer of the meal prep company. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye.